The name of our company is Pipeline Packaging. We are a stocking distributor to the industrial market. Pipeline Packaging was born out of Cleveland Steel Container. We are headquartered in Hudson, Ohio. We have 9 distribution facilities across our company.
A lot of the products at Pipeline Packaging, if you were to take kind of a tour of the warehouse, they may focus on pails, buckets, bottles, any type of sort of container.
Some of the challenges that we faced prior to EasyPick is we had a WMS solution that didn't work as well as we would like with our home ERP system. And we also had some locations that were on paper. And we were looking for a solution that would give us the best fit for all of our locations, and EasyPick fit that build. From an implementation standpoint, EasyPick was pretty easy to implement. We were able to implement 9 facilities in about a 5-month span.
We leverage EasyPick for all parts of inside the DC, starting with the receiving, onto the picking, packing, into the kitting process. Before we went with the WMS system, orders would print on a piece of paper, and then we would pick them per the piece of paper. Now with implementing a WMS and EasyPick, everything is now done on with the waves and the RF scanners. So in the morning we come in and there could be anywhere from 20 to 40 orders ready to be picked. They get sent out to the guns in EasyPick, and the order pickers pick the orders per the RF scanners.
I manage the workload. I go in the morning and see what orders we have that are ready to ship for that day. We prioritize that day's LTL orders first thing in the morning. And then as the day goes on, we move on to our parcel shipments and then the shipments that'll deliver on our trucks the following day. In this DC, we had a previous WMS system that was quite similar to EasyPick. What's changed is a lot more visibility to future orders. It helps me combine multiple orders for the same customer and get them out at the same time.
EasyPick has enabled us to improve our accuracy, reduce the amount of errors throughout our facility, and improve our efficiency.
On the receiving side, we could have anywhere from 6 to 10 inbound shipments a day. Everything is done in the RF scanner, from printing out the labels, barcode labels, scanning it in with the quantity, and putting it away to the proper bin. One of the other features that I enjoy that EasyPick has is their bulk receiving. We get a lot of full trailers of like items, and it's simple to scan the item number, the quantity, and the number of labels that you need for that entire trailer. It speeds up the process from day one. So we have anywhere from 30 to 60 cycle counts a week. A user logs into the gun, sees the daily cycle counts, will go to the bin, item number, and type in the quantity. EasyPick set it up for us, so if it matches exactly, it takes it immediately. If not, it'll make you count it again and double check the count, which really helps us out on the floor, because that's just a useful tool that they set up for us. Back when we did it on paper, it probably took 2 full days, and we're down to probably 6 hours.
EasyPick has improved the overall morale for the whole organization. It's enabled us to have real-time stats, create a lot less confusion with order statuses and interface issues. It works really well with our host system, enabling everybody to have a pretty seamless process.
Well, I'd really like to thank Inyxa. They really spent a lot of good time on the floor working with material handlers, taking their input, looking at screens with them. And so I think because of that, they've developed a really nice interface, a very user-friendly interface. They came in, listened to us, and we were able to come up with a really good solution. They may work themselves out of having future updates because they did such a good job in the beginning.
Working with Inyxa, EasyPick, they were very hands-on. Any issues or potential issues, we talked them out. It was just all around a good experience with them.
Any distributor that has kind of some complex operations from a shipping or a picking and shipping aspect, definitely would recommend them.
I believe EasyPick was a great decision that we made to go with the Inyxa team. They're really easy to work with. They were able to provide us a sustainable solution that we could scale in the future and grow with our customers.